Did you know that you don't need a health insurance company to get high quality, affordable healthcare? And you don't need to go it alone either when it comes to covering the cost of an unexpected illness or injury. I know it kind of sounds crazy because we've been brainwashed into thinking that you can only get affordable healthcare if you have insurance, but that's just not true. I'm going to share with you 3 secrets that are going to revolutionize the way you get healthcare, and it will literally transform your business or family budget. My name's Tom Lindsay, and I'm an insurance professional, and I've found the solution to the health insurance affordability dilemma for the self-employed. It's called medical cost sharing. So what is medical cost sharing? Well, it's a voluntary association of people like you and me who join a community and agree to share in each other's medical expenses. As members of the cost sharing community, you'll have a much lower monthly expense, and when you go to actually get healthcare, your ultimate cost can be significantly less than health insurance. Now you have a viable alternative to the health insurance status quo by sharing the cost of your fellow members' healthcare based on the membership guidelines. You see, insurance companies have policies that dictate what they will pay for, whereas the community shares members' needs according to the membership guidelines. And this model has been around for over 30 years and is working for more than 1 million members. So I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about medical cost sharing and how you can get the best healthcare you've ever had for 60% less than the cost of health insurance. And I know what you're probably thinking, that the healthcare system is way too complicated and risky to go without insurance. But I'm going to show you a great way that you can eliminate the insurance company and get amazing results. So the first secret is insurance companies actually make healthcare expensive. The big idea here is that by eliminating the insurance company, you gain control over the treatment you receive as well as the cost of that treatment. And this is important because you'll get better healthcare for less money as a cash pay customer, and you won't be paying the inflated costs needed to cover all the administrative expenses and profits. When you eliminate the middleman, costs go down. Now, the second secret is how taking control of your healthcare away from third parties results in better care. The main thing to understand here is that insurance companies are in control. They tell you what they will pay for and who you can get treatment from. Because of that, and because of treatment protocols, they effectively tell your doctor which procedures to use and which drugs they can prescribe. This means you'll save time and money and have the freedom to choose your doctor and every other provider because there aren't any networks. The third secret is how to make healthcare affordable again. With the right combination of services, you can get all the healthcare you need for 60% less than the cost of health insurance. This is key because you'll no longer be dependent on an insurance company, an employer, or the government for your healthcare. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's probably really risky to go without insurance and rely on other people to share my medical expenses. Well, the tricky thing is, insurance is often the most expensive way to pay for healthcare. Think about it. Insurance companies don't provide healthcare, doctors do. Insurance is just one way to pay for it. Medical cost sharing has been working for over 30 years, and there are over 1 million people participating in this model, and the overwhelming consensus is they love it because it works. And so I became a member, and my business partners and I have become a sponsoring entity so that other people, just like you, can join and finally have affordable healthcare. You no longer have to be underinsured, uninsured, or go without healthcare because of the cost of insurance. When you join this amazing community through Pure Health, you get the best healthcare you've ever had, and you have a community of over 17,000 members to share in each other's costs. Whenever an unexpected illness or injury occurs and the medical need exceeds the amount you choose to pay on your own, the community is there to share the balance of the cost. Plus, you're not alone to navigate the healthcare system. You have a member services advisor, telemedicine, second opinion services, medical bill negotiation, and much more. And so what this is going to do is give you peace of mind, and it will transform your budget by saving up to 60% over the cost of health insurance. You'll have total freedom over which doctors you choose and which providers you go to. You'll have customer service, the equivalent of a medical concierge, and you'll be surrounded by love from people just like you who want control over their healthcare decisions and affordable services. I'm a healthcare disruptor who's been in the health insurance industry for over 23 years, and I've made health purchasing decisions for hundreds of companies and thousands of employees. And what I do is I find the most effective way to solve insurance problems by thinking outside the box. The healthcare system is broken, and insurance is a big part of the reason why. Sometimes insurance just isn't the best way to pay for things. So again, my business partners and I have solved our own health insurance affordability dilemma through research, due diligence, and applying our expertise, and we started Pure Health as a sponsoring entity of this particular medical cost-sharing community to allow you, our fellow entrepreneurs, to solve their own health insurance dilemma. If you register, you can watch the in-depth webinar to learn more about this incredible life-changing solution and the name of the medical cost-sharing community we've joined. We're also here to help, and I can't tell you all the amazing results we've gotten for self-employed people, just like you who are struggling with insurance. We also have some special bonuses, like free t-shirts, a weekly newsletter, and a member masterclass that will help you become a power user and maximize the value of the membership. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Have a great day.